Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're focusing on using InputBox and Messagebox in Excel VBA, illustrated through the creation of a monthly sales report. Here's some example data of sales. Column A contains the month the product was sold, and column E holds the revenue, calculated as the sales price multiplied by the quantity. Let's start with the input box. It will appear on the screen like this. And here is the corresponding code. This simple function asks the user for the month they're interested in, marking our first step in making the macro interactive. Next, we need to ensure the user's input is valid. Now, look at this part of the code. If the input is empty or not a recognized month, we need to inform the user. Here's where the instr function comes into play. It searches within a given string for another string. In our scenario, it checks the user's input against the list of all months. If it doesn't find a match, the result is 0, indicating the input is not a valid month. After checking the input, if there's an issue, a message box pops up to notify the user. This feedback is crucial for guiding users to correct their input, ensuring our macro can proceed correctly. While today's focus is more on user interaction than on data processing, let me quickly show you the section where we iterate through all used rows in the worksheet. Here, we calculate the total revenue and identify the top-selling product. This information is then presented in a message box. So, let's see this in action and walk through all possible cases. If we don't enter anything and press OK, we receive a message that no month was entered. The same happens when pressing the Cancel button. If we enter nonsense, we are prompted to enter a valid month. Finally, if we enter a valid month, for instance March, we see the report displayed. I hope you found this demonstration of how to use the InputBox and Messagebox in a practical application helpful. If so, I would appreciate a like and possibly a subscription. Thanks for watching and happy coding!